Yeah.
Central Texas is facing one of the most devastating floods in its history. Entire towns have been submerged, roads washed away, and families displaced overnight. What began as heavy rainfall quickly turned catastrophic, overwhelming riverbanks and forcing thousands to flee for their lives.
No, he shouldn't. He should get out of the station.
So far, over 130 lives have been confirmed lost, with dozens still missing. The death toll continues to rise as rescue teams comb through debris and search for survivors. Many of those impacted had no time to evacuate as the floodwaters rose within minutes, engulfing homes, schools, and businesses.
You think he's ready to go?
I am going. I can't stay here.
Coming down. That was
No hay nadie. No.
Fueled by record-breaking rainfall, rivers like the Llano and Guadalupe swelled to dangerous levels. Flash floods surged with terrifying speed, turning quiet streams into raging torrents. Campers, travelers, and entire neighborhoods were caught off guard by the sudden wall of water.
For their cars on it. And look at the divider.
My God.
It's busted now.
Okay.
This is going to be out of business for.
First responders, including the Texas National Guard and local fire departments, have been deployed across the state. Helicopters, high-water vehicles, and rescue boats are working nonstop. Meanwhile, volunteers from neighboring counties are stepping in to help, showing the incredible resilience and unity of Texans in times of crisis.
Este es un hogar.
¡Hey! ¿Hay alguien aquí con vida? ¿De los carros también?
I'm getting in my little cabin, and we are stuck here. There's no way to get out. We can get to high ground real easy, but there's no way to get out of the camp because the roads are washed out. Cherokee Creek is on a tear.
This disaster is now being called the deadliest inland flood in the United States in nearly half a century. As waters slowly begin to recede, questions arise. Could more have been done to prevent such loss? Is our infrastructure prepared for extreme weather in a changing climate? Despite the destruction, the people of Texas refuse to give in. Neighbors are helping neighbors, communities are coming together, and the spirit of recovery is already visible. In the face of tragedy, Texas stands tall, determined to rebuild, stronger than ever.
Come on, get out! Jadi sekarang the one that I rescue, and everything is flooded right now.
Galing tayo, Mano? Halo?